Home builders and HVAC contractors in the new construction industry. I want to introduce you to a new product that is unmatched in its ability to manage ventilation and moisture control in new homes constructed in humid environments. Introducing the E100 with the 8190FF. Designed on our line of ENERGY STAR rated dehumidifiers, this solution features a patent-pending integrated damper assembly that simplifies installation and improves performance versus competitive products on the market. It has better airflow, integrated control, and intelligent operation logic that make it second to none. Managing fresh air ventilation and relative humidity in new homes is essential. Proper control not only makes the conditions in the home healthier, it also protects the home against the damaging impact of excess humidity such as mold, pest infestation, and warping of fine woodwork and trim. The E100 with the 8190FF reduces the level of moisture added to the air from both internal influences such as cooking, cleaning, bathing, entertaining, as well as humidity that would be introduced as a result of ventilation requirements. Installation, it's a snap. First, attach the 8190FF damper to the E100. Install insulated ductwork from the 6-inch ventilation opening to the fresh air inlet hood. Then, duct the 10-inch damper collar to a single location with the ductwork from the whole home. Then duct the discharge side of the dehumidifier to the return plenum of the furnace or air handler. And look, simple as that. Ventilated air will be conditioned before entering the living space, and air within the living space can also be dehumidified. Building professionals, this is a box of healthy air right here. Increased ventilation rates are proven to reduce dangerous levels of VOCs and viruses. Managing relative humidity on top of that provides benefits in reducing symptoms of asthma, allergies, and other breathing issues. Comfort and energy efficiency are also positively impacted with intelligent control of fresh air and humidity. And the E100 with 8190FF has smarts. It features our patented control logic that brings in the amount of fresh air that is specified by code when outdoor conditions are best to do so, helping to meet ventilation requirements without sacrificing energy efficiency. It also reduces strain on the air conditioner because it's designed to lower relative humidity. Air conditioners are not. They are designed to lower temperature. When it comes to healthy, properly conditioned air, this is the product for the job. Give your home buyers peace of mind that their home is healthy, comfortable, operating efficiently with the new E100 with 8190FF from AprilAire.